If you are in your 20s or 30s, this is what you need to do to be ahead of your colleagues, friends, or people that you know. My name is Davis. I'm 42 years old and I own my own exterior cleaning business. So if you want to be ahead, then these are the things that you need to do. One of it is acquire a skill, a sought after skill. Some of the skills that you need to learn are like plumbing, electrician, mechanics. These are all skills that you can benefit from without you being necessarily employed. So learn a skill that is sought after. You don't want to leave university and you can't even use your hands to do something. So just identify what skill can you learn that you can use your hands, and yes, you can use your brain to make money without you being necessarily employed. So add value to yourself in terms of acquiring a skill. Another thing that you need to do to set yourself apart from other people is if you started a side hustle. And I'm going to tell you why. Starting a side hustle, you're going to learn a lot of things that school will never teach you. So consider starting a side hustle. It can be selling a service. Identify in your community what services could you provide. Is it food delivery? Is it painting? Is it car washing? What service could you provide in your community that allows you to exchange value? You're going to learn a lot of skills, customer service. You're going to learn many people's skills you're going to learn, skills that you won't learn at university. Things that you're not going to learn while seated in a class or in a lecture. So consider starting a business, a side hustle, as you do if you're at university. You can do something on the side. If you are at, let's say you have a 9 to 5, you can still do that in the evening when you come from work. And then on the weekends, you can still continue fueling that time to build that business of yours. If you fail at it, you have learned a lot from that business or side hustle than what you would have learned in class. So consider starting a side hustle. If you want to be ahead of your age mate, develop a skill of reading books. There's a saying that goes, if you want to hide anything from someone, put it in writing. These days, it is challenging for young people to sit down, grab a book and read. But yet in those books, people have put all their knowledge and experience. So consider buying books that are about business, that are about personal development and personal finance, and leverage that knowledge that you get there, but also apply it to whatever you're reading. Try to apply it to your life. You're going to set yourself apart way far from those that are in your age bracket. One other thing that I have discovered, if you want to set yourself apart from other people, don't try to put off things. Oh, I'll do this tomorrow. Or I'll do this the other day. Or I'll do this next year. No. You need to hit the iron when it is hot. One other skill that people need to develop if you're in your 20s or 30s is time management. I'll tell you this. If you look around, people that have made it, they've leveraged time. We all have 24 hours in a day. All of us. Anyone who is under the sun, we have 24 hours in the day. But why is it that other people prosper and others don't? And that is leveraging time. That is knowing the value of time. The thing is, many people don't know the value of time, so they waste it. But if you value time, if you can maximize your time, I know exactly what have I used my time, because time is the most valuable thing that we all have. But yet, most times, we waste it. So leverage time. Value your time. because valuing your time will set you apart from other people. So if you got any value in this video, I will appreciate if you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you've not yet subscribed, and please consider joining our membership club by clicking the join button below. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.